Welcome to channel Mr. Learning. Today, I will show you about how to calculate the salary as a percentage of each employee compared to the total salary of all employees in the company. It is easy way to calculate. We have a table of salary like this. This column is salary of each staff, and we want to know Mr. John Dave, Lisa Freya, Tomas Roger, who has salary $5,000, $3,200, $2,300, which is a percentage compared to the total salary of all employees in the company. Let's start. First, we need to select all salary. We will see the small icon at the right bottom of your selecting. And then click the small icon at the right bottom. Choose totals and click the right arrow to find percentage total. It is done. Thank you for your watching. I will show the new lesson in the next videos. Goodbye.